हेलो एंड वेलकम टू दिल की बातें, जहां बातें दिल से दिल तक होती हैं। मैं आपकी होस्ट दृष्टि आज ऐसा कोच आई हूँ अपनी एक क्लाइंट के साथ, जिनसे हम पूछेंगे कि हाउ हर जर्नी वाज विद मी, ताकि आप भी जान सको हाउ इट फील्स टू वर्क विद मी। सो वेलकम श्रेया।
हाय।
यस, आई एम सो एक्साइटेड टू हैव दिस कॉन्वर्सेशन विद यू, बिकॉज अभी तक हम ऐसा क्लाइंट और स्टूडेंट को कवर कर रहे हैं, जैसे नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू गो इन टू दिस डेप्थ के एग्जैक्टली हाउ वॉज योर जर्नी।
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Um, Same here. Very excited about this. हम लोग ने I think it's been more 2 months, 3 months since we've been working together.
It's been
Right?
it's been 6 months. You are working with me
Six
from
months.
Jan.
अच्छा हाँ, yeah, you're right. It has been 6 months. Did not feel like it though. But हाँ, yes, it's been a long time, and this journey. I'm glad that I connected with you. I connected with you through my sister. So I'm
Yeah,
glad that that connection was built. Lekin when we started, it was I was a bit. I was already on my spiritual journey,
yes,
लेकिन a little lost क्योंकि समझ नहीं
right.
आता था कि while you are on this journey of awakening and having that insights कि इनके साथ like what to do with these things और
Yeah,
ये क्यों
right.
हो रहा है और कैसे करना चाहिए, right? So I felt like connecting with you in January till
Yes,
now it has just been
yes.
like एक डायरेक्शन, वन डायरेक्शन आफ्टर अनदर, सो मूविंग फॉरवर्ड, जैसे कहते हैं ना
Wow.
रोड बनता है वैसा फील हुआ है, सो यस।
True, true, true. I think we have learned a lot about each other through this journey, कि कैसे न्यू लेयर्स हमने डे बाय डे हटाई है और रियल ऑथेंटिक सेल्फ के टूवर्ड्स गए हैं, बट दैट्स अ स्टोरी ऑफ विद वी गो अहेड विद। बट पहले आई वांट टू स्टार्ट विद हाउ व्हेन यू ज्वाइन मी, व्हेन यू टॉक टू मी, उससे पहले हाउ व्हाट वर द प्रॉब्लम्स यू वर फेसिंग, और एग्जैक्टली व्हाई व्हाट मेड यू थिंक यू वांट टू कनेक्ट विद मी।
Yeah, actually, when I started, before starting with you, my main focus was I was struggling with personal relationships, right?
राइट।
So, my main focus was that probably when I connect with you, I will be able to figure out ये ऐसी क्या चीज़ है that I'm doing wrong in my personal relationships that I'm not able to move forward in them. But as we progressed on the journey, I think it was less about relating with somebody else. I don't know how to explain this, but किसी और के साथ होने से ज्यादा I think it was me finding myself
यस।
kind of a thing. So that's what changed, like that perception कि I thought process is that मेरे को किसी के साथ होना है to make things
हम्म।
better in my life. But then when I
या
started on this journey, I felt like that, like you said, it came back to me, bringing myself back to myself, connecting with myself more, and then making my life happy. जो मुझे all like I don't need another person to do that for me. So that's the
वाओ।
difference that I've seen in the last 6 months for sure. Yeah.
Wow. And I think through this journey, I have seen you like you build taking action a lot. You were ready to take action. Every time we were working on
Yeah.
something, you were like, okay, I can do this. I can take action on this. So was like the before that only, कि abhi after starting our sessions it happened.
So actions, I've never been scared. Like, I won't say that. That's not right. I was going to say I've never been scared of taking actions. That's not true. I have been scared of taking actions, but I feel like that has been because मुझे ऐसा लगता था what is right versus what is wrong, right?
Right.
So before meeting you, I was too much in my head कि ये सही होना चाहिए, ये गलत होता है, कैसे करूंगी, कैसे नहीं करूंगी. But I feel like जब आप after getting on this journey of connecting with yourself, you get that confidence also कि this is me, जो भी होगा, this is my life. मेरे को जो
Wow.
करना है, I can do it, kind of a thing. So that
Wow.
confidence built, and I think that helped me take the action irrespective of it being right or wrong. And if it was wrong, तो मतलब you can recourse it. मतलब आप
Wow.
गलत करा, mistakes होती हैं, but you can change the course of it. So yeah,
Wow.
definitely.
I आई थिंक ये हम बहुत बार मिस करते हैं, स्पेशली किससे भी हम बात करते हैं, तो बिकॉज हमें लगता है कहीं हम गलत डिसीजन ना ले लें, इसलिए हम डिसीजन ही नहीं लेते हैं।
या एंड दैट वाज मी अ लॉट क्योंकि बहुत ज्यादा टेंशन होता था, मैंने कुछ गलत कर दिया तो गलत कर
हाँ।
दिया तो
राइट।
यू फिगर आउट उसके बाद क्या होता है, राइट? बट what if the other part of it is right? कि अगर मैंने सही करा and I get what I wanted, so it's
Wow.
worth taking that risk. And I think that peace comes through building that connection with yourself, like that self confidence, knowing that irrespective of the decision leading to right or wrong, I will be there for myself, so I'll be able
Wow.
to work through the consequences of it, right? So that
True.
I think was not there before our sessions. It was slowly built in this last 6 months overall. So yeah.
Wow. Like listening to you is giving me so much like goosebumps. I'm like, oh my God, the way you are talking is such my voice, like this is how I say things. And now you are actually taking action on this. You are doing that in
Yes.
such a way. Wow. So now let's go with the starting. Ki when before joining me and after our 6 months, what are the changes, internal changes you have seen
हाँ.
yourself in every area of your life?
Yeah, a lot of things I feel like जो मैंने अभी confidence का बात करा, that has definitely increased, but I'll share examples that मतलब I started it off thinking of कि personal relationships में improvement होना चाहिए and whatnot, but I feel like that inner confidence that was built, it gave me it moved me away from fear. जैसे डर लगता था ना चीजें करने में, तो it
Right.
moved me away from fear into just knowing that ठीक है, everything is fine, I'm safe. So that safety aspect came in, and when that safety aspect came in, I was able to do a lot more things professionally also, जो मैं
Right.
पहले नहीं करती थी. So I've been in a leadership role in the last 6 months, but when I was starting it off, I was very scared because I did not have that confidence, inner confidence या inner fear था. तो building that up has helped me see myself grow professionally. That
Right.
is the aspect that I don't think हम लोगों ने इतना बात करा है उस बारे में, but I've seen it happen where things have changed for me in my professional life. How I present myself as a leader in that role, in that new role to my team overall, that has changed a lot. Not just that, how I interact with people on a daily basis, whether it is professional or personal, that has changed a lot. अब थोड़ा सा if I talk about personal life, I think I've been able to draw boundaries with people जहाँ पहले I would be like, हाँ जो भी, if somebody is asking they need my help, let me just go ahead and help them out. But अभी एक stage आ गया है that thinks about कि okay ठीक है, they need this, but what am I doing right now? Do I have the capacity to help this person or not? And if I
Wow.
do, then definitely yes, I will go ahead and do it with my all of my heart. लेकिन if I don't and I need to say no, थोड़ा अभी भी hesitant होता है. I do say no, and I take that, like it's still work in progress.
Right.
लेकिन I think I've been able to establish those boundaries as well.
Wow.
So these are the small things that I've seen personally have changed. I know we've been working on Hamara receiving energy also. That was
Yes.
very recent, as of
Yeah.
last week worked
Yeah.
on. So I've seen slowly people have, without even me asking, started doing things for me. So it was a bit of a change. तो ऐसे कैसे भी होता है. So things are changing. I feel like nothing happens overnight. It's a journey for a lifetime, right? So as you keep working on yourself, you धीरे धीरे see those things change in your personal life, professional life. The results come in, but आते
Yeah.
हैं. It takes time. You have to be patient, I would say, but I've definitely see them come in like in small chunks
Wow.
through our
Wow.
journey.
True, true. I think every time हमने कोई भी सेशन किया है within a week you already have some story to tell me कि
हाँ,
this
yeah, that's
happened, इसके around
true.
ये हुआ. So it's like universe giving you a way कि whatever you are doing, I am supporting you.
Yeah, absolutely. And I think my connection with universe, आपने ये बोला ना, I'm pretty sure everybody is connected with the universe. It's how you, आप अपने आप को कैसे universe के साथ, मतलब आप कितने open हो to see that connection, that is also there. So I feel like I opened up myself to see that connection with universe,
Yes.
which was beautifully shown to me, I think, on my birthday this year, where it was like magically snowed in, and I was surrounded by a lot of snow, and just the people who I love. So it has been beautiful. Like this year
Wow.
has been all about exploring that connection with the universe, and how when you give out and trust the universe, कैसे आपको भी, it just gives it back to you without, like, even expecting anything as such. So yes, I've
Wow.
experienced that. So yeah.
Yeah. And I think when you are ready to build a relation with the universe itself come to you. He or she, whoever you think of, he will also build relationship with you.
Yeah, that's true. Or yeah, you're right, because I did not go with the thought ki I'll be now more open to universe. It just came to me, like apne aap se it came to me, and I was like, okay. And
Yeah.
when it shows, so then you can open up yourself to trust a little, and then that trust also builds. So वो धीरे-धीरे करके expand होता है. So yes,
Wow.
definitely.
True,
Yeah, yeah.
true. I think when you take action in any way, universe always support you. We don't know it because हमने कहीं पर भी सुना नहीं है कि we always live with God कि God होते हैं, but then we have this thought
Mhm.
that कि हमें क्या पता होते भी हैं कि नहीं, हमने कभी पूछा ही नहीं. So वो belief
Yeah.
मुझे doubtful में था. But when you take some action, but you anyhow feel it कि okay, someone is there who is supporting me.
Oh yeah, definitely. That has been also आप सही कह रहे हो, like it's a big topic that I feel personally towards, but I feel like we have been India में तो everybody has been almost everybody is raised with a set of cultural values and like prayer. Some people they do believe in like doing prayers and stuff with God, लेकिन that comes through जो हमारे को pass on करा है generationally, right?
Yeah.
हमारे parents ने, उनके parents ने. So we are doing things on auto mode. So at times you
Yeah.
don't even stop to see कि अच्छा मतलब you're definitely benefiting from it, but you don't do it consciously. Like you don't stop to see the conscious connection कि probably if
True.
I'm doing this, so ये चीजें साथ में मेरे साथ हो रही हैं. But there is a big
Wow.
role definitely that the universe has to play. You can call it universe, God, magic, whatever you want to call it, but I definitely do vouch for it. It is there, a higher self, higher source who is there backing you up all through your
Wow.
life. Yeah.
Definitely, definitely. I think when you start building conscious relationship, because कहीं ना कहीं starting में आप जब भगवान में मानते हो, it's more of fearful relationship कि मानोगे नहीं तो
हाँ.
कुछ गलत हो जाएगा या फिर some
Yeah.
fears are there. But when you
Yeah.
consciously start talking to universe, not in a form of prayers, but just like a friend, कि वो मेरे अपने ही हैं, your
Yeah.
relation start changing to it.
Absolutely. मतलब it's almost like a friend, right? You can go
Yeah,
to जाकर you can just talk, जो भी अपना बोलना है. It's almost like somebody who's there to hear and be there to console you or like to just comfort you. That's your comfort piece kind
true.
of a thing. So that's definitely. And
Wow.
that's again one of those things that changed. I अभी आपने बोला, so that's why I'm realizing it, because most of my childhood was also thought like fear of God kind of a thing
Yeah,
से
true.
establish हुआ था कि ये करना पड़ेगा आपको तो ही आपको ये मिलेगा,
Yeah.
या ये करोगे तो ही God will be impressed with you. So yes,
Yeah,
definitely.
proper ritual, something like that, puja and everything. But it's more about with how much intention you are doing, what intention you are
Yeah,
putting in while doing it.
true. Yeah, definitely. Yeah,
Perfect.
yeah.
Yeah, but
Intention is important.
in everything, like I think in our sessions as well, every time we did something, I always asked you to set intention to it. Always ask for intentions.
That's true. And इतनी बारी हुआ है that at times I don't even know getting into the session कि what do I want to do today? But as we are in it, slowly things unfold. So at times that trust that I was talking about, right? You just need to have it कि हमेशा आपको सब कुछ पता नहीं होना चाहिए. You can just surrender at times and let things unfold also. And I think those were the best sessions जब पता नहीं है कि क्या होना है and things unfold, it just naturally comes out. So
True.
building that trust I feel like is very important. And it's not like मेरे को काम करके trust बनाना है, ऐसे नहीं. It just happens as you open yourself up and see, okay, let me see what happens if I open myself up a little to universe. तो धीरे
Right.
धीरे करके you start seeing things, and धीरे धीरे करके it just builds. It's almost like a relationship, like you said, right? So yeah.
True, true. As you mentioned about the sessions that were the best sessions you had, I want to know personally and to our audience as well who's listening, ki according to you, what were the best sessions you actually had? And it was like an eye opener for you.
Oh, I'll say eye opener to every session, because every session leaves you with something. Either you are releasing that you did not even know you were carrying for a very long
Yeah.
time. It could have been blocker. या फिर you would it would end up in just feeling like, okay, I can do everything now. This is going to be the best week because we meet on Sundays, right? So that's why
Yeah.
now I get pepped up on that energy and the week actually goes awesome. So each session has been different, but and you get, I've never felt like कि किसी भी सेशन में कि ये तो इसमें तो कुछ हुआ ही नहीं, ऐसा कभी नहीं,
Hmm.
because it has always given me something. But I feel like the best ones were the ones, I'm not remembering exactly उसमें क्या हुआ था, but I remember the ones where we have just played with, I think it was more like playing with universe around receiving energy and stuff. I think I love those a lot more. Because my receiving personally has been blocked in general. But when I am in those sessions, it feels like it is possible and I can do
Yeah.
it. And then the way you prompt and the way you add things through the session, it just connects. It just makes sense to the logical mind as well. So it's not being like a hindrance in between कि ये नहीं मिलेगा मुझे या ये चीज नहीं होगी. So your prompts, because they are something that are connecting with my logical mind, वो obstacle हमेशा अपने आप चला जाता है. And through those sessions, you just at the end of it, you just feel like अब तो मुझे सब कुछ, like I can do anything and everything. So
Wow.
those have been my favorite ones for sure. So
Wow.
yeah.
Any specific you would like to share in between, like some topic, anything?
Thinking. The only one that's coming to me, I'm not remembering that one exact one. हाँ, I felt this. So दो topic याद नहीं आ रहे मुझे कि exactly what we were working on. I think it was around manifesting your partner, say related tha. So you maybe, well, yeah, I think instead of doing the actual release work, we were talking about just work on writing down what love means to you.
Yeah.
How do you feel about how do you feel about love? What kind of a partner you want? So I think that one particular session, it just opened, it changes the perspective where you are not just worried, you're out of that worry energy and you're just dreaming, you are kind of
Wow.
dreaming in a way, bringing it to reality. But so I don't know if I'm doing a good job of explaining it. The reason I loved it was because iske andar things around all the positive things that can happen when you might want to be with your partner or when you experience love as such, all those topics were touched. So when we were talking about it, it felt like this is happening, I can do it, or this is possible for me. So that feeling that you have, right, this is possible for me, it just takes you out of your regular mundane thought process of ये मेरे से नहीं होगा, ये है ही नहीं मेरी लाइफ में, ये हो ही नहीं सकता, this thing is impossible for me. So that makes you feel a lot pepped up and better, and gives you that enthusiasm. And even though it was for that one particular thing that we were focusing on, मुझे लगता है you just take it with yourself to all the other things in your life
True.
throughout the next week. So yeah,
Wow.
yeah,
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 I think when we're discussing this, we also discuss around this कि how society somewhere has played the role कि हमें जो भी मिलना होता है ना हम उसको डाउन प्ले कर देते हैं कि you have to be settled for less, जो मिल रहा है उसमें खुश रहो. And a lot of time you also have told me how this has impacted you. So like if you can just walk us through a little bit at how you have seen all these in your life and how you came
yeah.
out of this as well.
Yeah. Okay, that's a good thing. There are a lot of things societal, उसमें especially for women, I feel like बहुत ज़्यादा there are things and rules that have been put in place, and
Yeah.
I can only speak for women, so that's why I'm saying it this way. But I think there are a lot of बचपन से when you're growing up, there are things that are put into your mind that you can or cannot do, or maybe you are given a lot more instructions कि ऐसे करोगे तो then you are support you'll
हाँ.
be getting that good girl tag, or if you are talking a little loudly or sharing your opinions or doing things a certain way that does not align with others, then you're a bad person. And having to put that good person aura all the time in front of your relatives, your anytime you're going out, I think it makes you, मुझे ऐसा लगता है, suppress all the other things that come naturally to you, like
Right.
that might not be tagged as good, like negative emotions, right?
Right.
Crying is a perfectly normal emotion. Anger is a
Yeah.
perfectly normal emotion. It is all normal, लेकिन हमारे को जैसे suppress, like if you express those, you've been told like there is something wrong with you. You're too
Yeah.
emotional if you are crying, or if you're angry, आपने like she's just crazy. At times, people say that also. So I feel like those are the things that we then start keeping inside. हम फिर वो
Yeah.
share नहीं करते और हम वो express नहीं करते, and then कब तक, like till when will you keep that inside, right?
Yeah.
So when you get to a place where you are trying to probably look for a partner, or you are connecting with somebody outside of you, smallest of inconvenience that might happen with that person, it will trigger these emotions, क्योंकि ये निकले ही नहीं है, आए नहीं है बाहर. So they have been kept inside, and then when they are triggered, then also you don't know कि मैं इनके साथ क्या करूं, क्योंकि nobody has told you that it is safe for you to express these out, right? So there are a lot of societal, this is just one thing that I'm touching on, but there were a lot of other things like up to you are this particular age, so you can't get married, or if you are not dressed this way, then people will not get attracted to you. So a lot of different things that you've heard throughout, it makes your mental, like it wires your brain a certain way. So then you start moving away from who you actually are, and you start doing things जो लोगों ने आपको बताया है that you need to
Hmm.
do in order to attract love, or be good for somebody to love you, kind of a thing. So I think that is um, slowly हम लोगों ने उनको उन layers को unpack करा था through our
Yeah.
sessions, where you gave me like that safe space to be able to share what my thought process is without any judgment, and give me like a different perspective कि अरे ये है, I know this is a thought process, but how about if you think about this way? How about you
Yeah.
just let your emotions flow? Or how about what if you just you be like a teenager, or do whatever you wanted to do like a teenager,
Yeah.
irrespective of what your age is, just dress like what you want to. So I feel like it helps you see the other side of it,
Yeah.
giving that safe space to somebody to explore that other side. It helps. So I feel like
Yeah.
the sessions helped me see those things. I won't say that 100% सब कुछ clear हो गया है, change हो गया
Hmm.
है. These are things that will change धीरे धीरे. But I feel
Yeah.
like as you work on yourself, you see that things can be done differently. You see how things that have been ingrained into you are, you can make that decision for yourself. This is right versus this is wrong. And
Right.
probably then you can share it with other people who are around you, who are facing or going through something similar, and guide them through,
Right. Wow.
other aspects of the negative things that they might be
Yeah.
experiencing.
True,
Definitely.
true. Even like I have seen that being a woman, how much controlled you are being. कि आपको एक लिमिटेड दुनिया दिखाई जाती है कि यही आपके लिए
Yeah.
पॉसिबिलिटी है. Even like I sometimes doubt myself that do I we really want to get married or is just a norm कि हमें कहा गया था कि हमें शादी करनी ही है, इसलिए we are thinking about कि वो हमें शादी करनी है. But what if we don't want to? And
Yeah.
all these gives you a belief that maybe you can choose a different life. और वो हो सकता है कि वो लाइफ दूसरों से ना रिलेट करती हो, but this is your life, you have to decide.
Yeah. Yeah, absolutely. But what decision at times, saying everybody has that, but at times that decision is probably you feel like, do I even have the right to make that decision? So
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, I think that's how we work on this way कि आप खुद के साथ वापस जाते हो, you connect yourself that much कि आपको पता है, as you said in the beginning कि I know कि अगर मैं कुछ गलत कर भी दूंगी तो मुझे पता है कि मैं हूं अपने साथ, मैं संभाल
Yeah.
लूंगी.
Yes,
Wow.
absolutely. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah. And
ना.
I don't know if it's culturally related, but हम societal बात कर रहे थे, but I think like the reason I never had that confidence was because मेरे लिए हमेशा everything was decided by my like हमारे parents या कुछ
Yeah,
ऐसा,
true.
right? So it happens when they are the ones who are deciding and giving you the direction always, and not letting you build that trust in yourself. So you get to miss that link, but then you can build it again. So
Yeah,
yeah.
definitely. I feel after a certain age, it's become your responsibility to unlearn what is not working for you.
Oh yeah, definitely. Yeah. But that takes a lot of conscious, like, resolve कि
True.
नहीं यार कुछ तो सही नहीं हो रहा है तो let me
Yeah.
see what I can change and challenge a couple of things that I've learned throughout my life and see if I can do something differently, and maybe that might give me a different result than what I've been doing throughout my life because I've been told that this is how things can
Yeah.
be done.
True.
Yeah.
True. Wow. And I think that's the way you start actually living your life. When you start
Yeah,
challenging
that's
things, when you start asking like what I really want in my life. Do I just want to follow the same pattern my family is following, or I want some change in my life?
yeah, and also this is just coming to my mind, so I'm just sharing this. I feel like
Yeah.
सबकी journey is personal to their themselves, और
True.
हमारे को काफी टाइम दिखाते हैं see that person is doing this, why are you not doing this in your
Yeah.
own life, kind of a thing. So I feel like that's not ये this was one of the lessons that I learned कि
Yeah.
नहीं, my journey is very different from the other person because मुझे नहीं पता how they started on their journey. I don't know what their background has been. So
Yeah.
maybe they have achieved ABC in their life by now, which has been important to them. But that does not demean or bring down मेरे achievements अभी तक के.
Wow.
Uh, just because they look different than that other person's, right?
True.
So yeah.
Wow.
So one thing I learned, never compare yourself, your journey to anybody else's. Just keep going. Like जो कहते हैं, I
Yeah.
think there are quotes मुझे बचपन में समझ नहीं आते थे. हाँ, they felt good, they gave me reassurance, but when you start doing this work, you will know that okay, even though मेरा journey does not look like my best friend or does not look like this one other person who's a celebrity who I always admired,
Mm.
but my journey is my own because I have had my own life. So it's absolutely fine, and I have my goals. I'll work towards it, and that's all that matters. So yeah.
True. Wow, that's amazing. The perspective shift you has, I still remember when you started and how we far we have came. That's like a personal win to me as well. It feels so good while you're talking and the way you are explaining things. It's definitely huge win for me.
Oh, I feel, and I feel it. Like I'm not just saying it
Yeah.
for saying it, I felt it, so I felt like I'll share it because this is it is ingrained in me now, right? Matlab,
Yeah.
it's good to read about all of this, but when you feel it about yourself and your life, it's a completely different thing, and you know that everything is going to be okay.
Wow. True. Definitely. Now, like I have want to ask, how was your journey working with me for the last 6 months overall?
I feel like we had our own set of ups and downs in a way. Like there were sessions where I would just end up being completely emotionally exhausted
Yes.
for weeks. But then there were these pep talk sessions where I would just feel good for like weeks and stuff. But one thing that was consistent, I would say, in this 6 months is the support and like that space of no judgment. So I'm like grateful that that was provided because when you give that space to somebody else to express and to come as they are, like you
Right.
come exactly as you are, you don't have to change yourself for me, and I'll help guide you through it. I feel like that's a very important space, that's anything, a very important thing that one can do as a coach for another person, because then you can feel that safety to express yourself just as you are, and then you can actually get into the weeds of what needs to be removed, what needs
Yeah.
to be kept, and then how to build you from there. So I think those two things were key and consistent, that support, that
Yeah.
non-judgment, safe space, and just letting me be how I am and then guiding me through the ups and downs. So, yeah.
Wow. Wow. That was my next question actually. The three best things you felt while working together.
Answered it. So
Just
yeah, these are the three things, like that support, that safety net that you create, and
yeah.
letting people be who they are without judgment, and then using their story as giving them that. the reason non-judgment is important, I just want to stress on it, is because you are giving people that space to be themselves. So then they are coming to you as themselves, to abhi feel
Yeah,
kar rahe hain, rather than putting a mask on to be that good person and giving you only good updates and stuff. That does not help with your healing journey, I think for sure.
true.
So that safety net helps you bring the raw and the show you all your dark sides as well to the person, and then the way you guide them through this, okay, it's almost like it's not a big deal, yahi to hai. How about you see this in that other perspective, right? So that makes the other person also feel like confident ki, oh acha, this can, whatever I've been through, it can be changed and there is light. I just don't have to sit in this darkness hamesha. So I think that's something very rare, and I think I really enjoyed that in our sessions completely. So yeah.
Wow. Wow, this is amazing. I just loved our sessions a lot because every time you're so excited to tell me the stories, everything, something happens with you, you're like, I'm just texting you, you're just texting me. I love reading your texts. I'm like, oh wow, this is so amazing.
Yeah, I would not even wait for our sessions, I think. जब भी कुछ होता था, I'll just message you. I was like, oh, yeah, this happened. And
Yeah.
that held true for all the positive stuff and the negative stuff, right? Because
Yeah.
I remember reaching out to you. I am feeling very this emotionally. What do I do now? Kind of a thing. But then there were things like, oh, you know what? I can't wait to tell you this happened at work, or this thing changed completely. I got this from this person. So yeah, definitely.
Wow. I mean, I loved it. I used to wait for it. Like, oh, some new updates are on its way to me.
We always have updates.
Yeah. Perfect.
And
So,
I don't think that's going to stop even after our sessions, jab bhi, whenever it is. I think I'm just going to keep bugging you with my
yeah,
updates
I'm
always.
waiting for it. I love your texts. It's like that you always crave someone texts you like a long way. Like, especially in the beginning, you want your man to text this, but now you're like, oh, I don't need it. I have people who are actually doing it for me.
Yeah, definitely.
I am waiting for that. More messages. Perfect.
ठीक है,
So before ending, like we're about to end, would you like
हाँ
to
जी.
say anything to our audience who are listening in any way, who want to start their healing journey or who haven't, but they are watching,
Hmm.
or any advice you want to give them?
I don't think I'm in a place to give advice to anyone, but I feel like the only thing that I've learned in the last 6 months is whatever you are experiencing, जहाँ पे भी आप हो, whether it is good in your perception or it is bad, um, just trust yourself. A, don't be embarrassed of what you're feeling right now. And there are people out there, people like you, who are able to, who'll just be there to help you out. You don't have to do this alone. You don't have to do this by yourself. Trust that if you get connected, you trust that if you want to share this piece and you want to work on it, you will be connected with the right people. You will get that support.
Right.
Just open yourself up a little bit. And if something is not working in your life and you want to change it, there are means and ways to change it, and it will
Wow.
come through you itself. It will, nobody else can come from outside to do it for you. You
Correct.
will be guided to take steps to do those things for yourself and make those changes in your lives. So wherever you are, even if you are feeling stuck, even if you're feeling like, nah, I am okay, I'm doing okay-ish, or you're feeling the best, I feel like there are parts of yourself that you don't even remember that are hidden somewhere. So healing journey is for everyone. It is nothing to be embarrassed about.
Yeah.
Just reach out for that help. Open yourself to the universe to guide you
Yeah.
to the next step, and somebody would be there to help you out and support you in the ways that you can't even imagine. So yes,
Wow. This is
yeah.
amazing. I just remembered one thing, when you said कि if you want to change something, it will come through you only. And I heard this
Hmm.
line, someone said कि कुछ पसंद नहीं आ रहा है तो बदल दो ना, तुम्हारी ही तो जिंदगी है.
Oh yes, I
So,
love that.
so,
Yeah,
so I think
definitely.
people might tell you some or other way कि आपको वहीं पर रहना है, be okay with this, but sometimes change always find you when you are ready to change it.
या एंड आपको पता है, अगर कोई आउटसाइड पर्सन इज सेइंग नहीं इट्स ओके, ऐसे ही होता है, बट आपको अंदर से लग रहा है कि नहीं, दिस इज नॉट राइट, मे आई डिजर्व मोर, या आई वांट मोर, एंड आई वांट, आई इट डज नॉट सेटल फॉर मी कि दिस कैन बी द ओनली थिंग फॉर मी, राइट, यही मेरे लिए
राइट।
है। Go for it,
वाह।
trust yourself more than the other person, just go for it and be open to receive that guidance and healing from the universe to take that next step to heal yourself.
Wow, this is amazing. I just loved our conversations. I think it's a
Yeah.
different level conversations this time. So thank you so much, Shreya, for being a part of my life. And I really feel good when I see you now. I can really see the change on your face only. The way you're smiling. The smile has changed a lot in the last few months, I would say. You smile more
Yeah.
from the heart. I can just see it. And I just loved it. So thank
No,
you.
thank you so much for being a part of my journey as well. And I've already said a lot on this, like this podcast or this recording, that I feel like you've been, I was connected to you at the right time. And I feel like I'm really grateful that you were able to give me the space that I needed to grow. And here I am, and very grateful for our connection as well.
Wow, perfect. I think it was just a universe timing.
Definitely.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Oh, thank you. Pleasure is mine.